everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs here at Lexus of Jacksonville in the Technology Department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your phone to the Lexus Interface System. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video.
To begin, start your Lexus and select the settings icon on the bottom left of your screen. Select Bluetooth and devices, then search for devices. Now we'll pull out our phone and select Bluetooth. Look for your Lexus model on the bottom of your screen. Confirm that your codes match and allow your contacts to sync to your Lexus. The final step is to select Use Apple CarPlay on both your phone and your Lexus.
Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video on pairing your phone to the Lexus Interface System. Please email or give us a call with any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry, you weren't supposed to see any of that. You got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know. If you'll excuse me.